Good morning, everybody. How are we all? It is 07:40 on Sunday the 23rd of February and we're off out. Where are we going? Well, you're going to go with me, not the driving bit, but yeah, you can all come with me if you want. Where are we going? We'll be revealed in a few seconds. See you there. It's a little bit windy. I don't know if you can hear me. So, where are we? We're at the Three Counties Showground in Malvern. I'm here for a tractor show. Oh, what a tractor show. First one I've done. Looks interesting. So, let's go have a look around, shall we? But first, I need a coffee. And then we'll have a look round. So, I've had my coffee. So it's this tractor show. So I've been to one of these before. So now let's start with this first one. JCB Backhoe. They've just made the millionth one of these. This is an earlier one. This is 64, I think. Let's scale back a bit, as you can see. That's better. Now we've got an SF 170/180 built between 1968 and 1973. It's got a Ford 5000 engine that develops 75 brake horsepower. There's cars that produce that. Although JCB here. Then we've had some trucks. We've got some trucks here. From the TL & Jones from Welsh Pool. Scania 650 Highline. But they got a classic 142H heavy haul. Nice 660S. Classic lovely 143 M450. Step back a bit and another S660. We've got Case here with their new tractors. An International 5288. Another International there, that's a 3588. The classic stuff there. David Brown. So the David Brown is a Cut Master. Year manufacturer was 1954. And of course, a Massey Ferguson, this is a 135. So here's an old one for you. This is a 1949 Bedford Model O. So back in 1949, it was used by White County Council until 1972 and purchased by its current owner. Look at that, and that old line. 1949. Quite a bit before my time, but sort of thing I like. And there we have a 1972 Ford 5000. I know someone who's editing this. He likes his little engines. So, yeah. 1940.
it's like electric bike which the
Another one from 1940. Hi, this one's for you, and I use the ultimate video and I want to stay mentions of Pamford. KCB, is that the name? You see a lot of these at Clandon, that Transport Festival, which we're not doing this year. There's a Ruston Hornsby, built in 1925. Tricky little things, these are going to get good. Really are. Right, let's head to another part of the show. This is probably my favourite part of the show, not different to your Land Rovers. Series 1. I don't really put my Land Rovers. Not your Land Rovers. Not your Land Rovers. And my favourite part is the trucks. Lovely FAC6 there. Cummins powered. Well, let's have some of these. Lovely Dodge. This monster. Foden 4000. That's Cummins 400. Yeah. That's an R24 cargo. Scania 110, oh no, that's the one that was took first. Look at this beauty. I think it's just 60s, I think this one, Peter built. Cummins diesel, oh she's out. Scania 112, it's probably putting about 320 brake horsepower. Quite a modern one. Volvo FM9, 340 brake horsepower Globetrotter. Look, my favourite trucks. ERF, I've actually driven an ERF, I've driven an EC10. I think an Eaton twin split gearbox. If you can drive an Eaton twin split, you can drive anything. And we've got Sherman's truck here, another ERF. It's an EC8, I think. It's an EC8. Yeah, EC8. A few more down the bottom today, but this is one of my favourite sections. This is what I've got for There we are, because on the back row, look at this beauty. ERAC Marsh with the ergonomic cab, as is Boy Leyland as well. Beautiful, isn't it? 8x2, 8x4 flatbed. So this coming in, beautiful. Come around here, this is the second row. Do like the trucks, see from the gathering. Over here. Scania 143 with 450 brake horsepower. Beautiful truck, and here we go. But now this is what I've driven. ERF EC10. That's basically about a 325 brake horsepower Cummins engine. Eaton twin split. This big gearbox. So you can drive one of them without anything. RFC cab, 6 series, Cummins. I remember all these knocking about in the 70s and the 80s, it's my time. Yeah. Top of the range, E14. Got a Cummins 320 in it. This is a low quantum mechanic. Dave Richards, and here we are. I was just wondering, sure of these Ford 9000, and made in 1980 Ford 9000. Cummins engine in it. I believe that the Snowman used one of these in Smoking Upon Ditches. For 9,000. Very, very nice area at all. Beautiful. Let's carry on to the next lot. There you go, the last one in this section of trucks. Another Cummins. Guy Big J14. Bank out. That's stuck. That's how you open sheet, guys. That's how you open sheet. That's a dying art now, that is. I couldn't do it now with my injuries, but there you go. That's how you open sheet. $19.75 this one. Get to create the guy back. Milton Midlands. There you go, look at that. Beautify. Love the smell. So I'm at the halls now, so it might be a bit noisy, guys. I do apologise. This is a Massey Ferguson club. It can't be Massey Ferguson club I've built in Coventry. No more, unfortunately. Big stand, this is. Big stand. Let's go through some of the tractors, get an idea of it. So a bit about some of these tractors. So it's all related to our channel, Tyres and Tarmac. Now, all we've had with the current tractors, mate, really. So I've got a Massey Ferguson 148. I saw one of these earlier, I think it was. 1975, this one. Totally restored, look at that. Very beautiful. That's the 1975 148. Around here. One of the people. Shows what busier than I anticipated. This is the last day at the two. Got a 1983 Massey Ferguson 690.
Hey.
This here. 690. And here we are, a 1978 Massey Ferguson 590. Do I have it here? Massey Ferguson 360. It was in 1989. So 1988. Okay, around, there's some more here. We've got some figures around here. There's some nice models around here as well. Around the shore, there are other halls which would of course be going in. It's bigger than I thought it would be actually. Another 148 here. This one dating from 1972. Here we have a 390. Built in 1993. All these built in Coventry, of course. My hometown, not my hometown, so I've lived for the last up to amount of years. We've got another 698. This is a 1983 model. Beautifully restored, and then we're coming to some non-Massey Ferguson. We've got some Nuffields here. My favourite, that Leyland 245 Synchro. This is dated from 1980.
Walking his own farm.
No,
Crazy,
beautifully
innit?
restored, look. Beautifully restored. So that dates from 1980s. Everywhere. Leyland had the hands in many pies. Practically everything. And next to it we've got a Marshall 904 XL, one of the heavy duty stuff. 1985. Again, the restoration and the detail of the restorations are just fantastic. 1985 Marshall 904 XL. Sorry about the noise again. We're in another haul. The Case Tractors are celebrating 40 years this year. They've got a bit of a display on here in this hall. Just one thing here with you. Case, of course, is also international. And David Bray, as far as I'm led to believe. We're on the same stand. So let's go take a look at a few. I do like tractors, I must admit. This is a new thing for me. I'm really into me plant hire. Me plant. I think everybody likes a bit of plant. So we're going to start. So I'm more for the covered in stuff. So the first one here is a Case International 1255 XL. This is a 1986 built tractor. One of the more heavyweight models in the range. Still a working tractor as well. It's nice to see. Here we have got a Case 5140. Not sure that you have that one. That's the latest tractor. One of the smaller Case tractors is a 1194. This one was built in 1986. Lovely restoration job on that. Lovely restoration job. We go David Bray 1212. This is a 1976 unit. Lovely restored. And we've got one here, YouTuber, Tractor Nut. This is his Case tractor. This is his 1594 from 1984. Hello, Tractor Nut. If you're watching, I doubt you are, but hello. And we carry on around here. We'll swap arms. We carry on here, around here now. It's very busy around here, so just excuse the noise. As you can see, it's very busy.
We're working with 1412 at the moment. When
We have a 1394. Come to that side in a minute. This is another 1985 model here. Oh, you see that? Come to the bigger stuff. This is a 105 Case 1056 XL. This is a 1988 model. Lovely, isn't it? Really is nice. There's a well-worn 1394. That's the merchandise. So that's a Case. So celebrating 40 years of tractor building. You see how busy this show is. I really didn't expect it to be this busy. But so this is day 2 of 2. That's it from there. So we enter another hall now. More Massey Ferguson's. Massey Ferguson are my favourite tractor, but then again, I'm biased because they're built in Coventry. Well, so it's completely gone now, but let's have a look at some of these here. Little garden tractor there. 1994, 1964, Massey Ferguson 65. That's 65 horsepower. 1964 35X. That puts 44.5 horsepower. 1972 135 MP. Now all these are being restored by one farm in Hampshire. Have another 135. This one was built, as it says, in Coventry in 1967. That's all one. 45 horsepower. Exported to Austria in October 67 and brought back into the UK in 2020. 148 from 1975, again another 45 horsepower. Can you imagine other cars that did that sort of horsepower back then as well? It's mad, isn't it? The 165, 1972, 58 brake horsepower. And 188. Now this one wasn't built in Coventry, this one was built in France in 1972. 75 brake horsepower. It's my favourite one, I understand it. And Massey Ferguson 399, built in 1994. They like the cobbing and stuff. 399. Yeah, no, I've done the restored one now. We've got a 2135. Then we've got some old stuff here again. Oh man, very lovely they are. Old Ferg one there, old Ferguson here. This was an FE35 from 1957. Carry on down here. This is a Massey Ferguson Tractors Owners Group. So every bit of make, well, whatever has got a group. This one's a 135. This one. (1965) 175. 1967, sorry, 175. And now we're at this bit of work. We're going to move now up onto the second level. We'll catch you a bit. So here we are again, at the hole. We'll start with, well, I've never ever heard of these. Well, this is a Z-Tor Crystal 8011. It dates from 1974. Never heard of one of them, that's a new one on me. Come back to that beast in a minute. It's the Roadless 155 from 1970. Now you see these about quite often. They're very, very scenic. Now my second favourite tractor manufacturer has to be John Deere. Don't know why. Just this. We're going to do some Fords first. So that's good. It's just weird that all these manufacturers built everything. Ford, Leyland, they all built tractors. There's even one I didn't even think could tractors here. And it is a Ford 7000. It's a smart that these companies, they just build cars, trucks, vans. They built tractors as well. This is Ford 7000. It's 1975. This is a 1980 Ford 8100. That's a Ford 7600. 1984 Ford 7710. Ford TW25. Never a biggie. It's Ford 863 power shift. That's from 1980. 7810. 1992 Tom Holland, New Holland TM165. And here we come to my second favourite, John Deere. This is a John Deere 3050. There's a New Holland 8970 there. It's a John Deere 4240S. This is a 1981 built tractor. Look at the way I saw it. Taller than me, and I'm 5'6". There go more John Deeres. Only available in green. It's like the Model T4 is only available in black. Now, the thing about John Deere is they don't just build tractors. They've got everything to do with agriculture. Right down to lawn mowers, as you'll see here. Yeah, right down to lawn mowers. There you go. How about that? You can have a John Deere to mow your lawn. One would do to mow your lawn with. It's a 2120 from 1968. Loving this. This is going to be a new yearly event for me. John Deere 6210. There's a 1976 Massey Ferguson 165. Gotta do the masses. Now look at this. This is a John Deere. This is a 6920S from 2003. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's a John Deere 7700 from 1996. Now, how about this? Even Renault built tractors, look. 13454. Yeah, about that. And here we go. Crown don't just build truck trailers. This is the Big X 700 combine harvester. This is pulling 750 brake horsepower. So, yeah, 760 brake horsepower. Look at that for a monster, eh? That's a combine harvester, your Crown. Crown also build truck trailers, but that's lovely, isn't it? We go, right. Next level. Now here's an interesting piece of machinery. Exciting Allied. Yes, she used to pour the lifeboats into the sea. It's a Fowler foot leads. Get your leads. You see that? 14 ton. Sorry, my finger keeps getting in the way. 14 tonnes. Don't know where this one was based, unfortunately. I can't tell you that. But this was built in 1960. And it worked at the mill in North Wales for a bit. That would have been the mate that would have took the Harley as the name of the real lifeboat. So that's the first piece that was basically under the Marshall 804. 1982. It's so popular, this show. Yeah, there's probably a bit there. 1984 Marshall 804. Some little ones here, some older ones here. Old Massey Ferguson here. Old 135. Look at this one. Waterloo boy. Forston. Just walk along here with Andreas. Go to the Ford section now. Some guy didn't know. I just found out is that New Holland is a branch of Ford, as you'll see. There's a 7600. Try and hold this with two hands. There's a 7810 from 1989. And to prove the point before, this is a Ford New Holland 7740 from 1997. There you go, to prove the point. Old Forston here. The place I used to work for had one of these, just parked up. But years have a snowplow fitted. That's from 1947. It will. Let's carry on round. Let's get up to 21. We'll work our way around. Again, it's just amazing how, you know, these companies just build anything. Obviously I don't know, but this is a Ford 6600 from 1976. We have a 1993 8340.
So I said to the bloke,
and look at this beast. A 1992 Ford 946. Oh, big. That, isn't it? Ford FW30 there. There's a big one. Don't know anything about this. Let's have a look at the spec sheet on this, because I don't know anything about these. Well, this is a 1982 headshot tractor. FW30. I don't know anything about them. Some of the older stuff. Can you imagine in the old days sitting on one of them? That's in 1918, that one. Saunderson. 1918. Another Massey Ferguson 590. 1977, this one. Next, another 781 Ford. Detroit I've never heard of. And then it's the Avia car nuts as well. Series 1 Land Rover. Nice sound. Patinaed. Not done up a concourse, is the way I like them. And this is a 1954 model. I'll spin it around for you. '54 Series 1. So this is the final haul. Quite a mixed match in here. Look at this. Little Turner, 1976 Turner. Flower. Could have seen these cutting grasses out for the council on the playing field and stuff. One of these little tractors here. Little Kubota. I don't really know that Kubota. We've got a big house, you know, a big garden. I'd love something like that, but my garden's not big enough. It's a mess, my garden. I must admit this has been a fantastic show. It's bigger than I thought it would be. And it's certainly busier than I thought it would be. Agriculture, it's a very lit business. Agriculture, farming. 1976 International here. .454. 1976 454.
What shall we do? Shall we go back?
Lord Forstons, Alice Chalmers. Oh Lord, I love it. Do you know, I was trying to get my spanners out, get my toolbox out, get my spanners out. Love to have a play, really would. I've always had a thing for plants. One of the jobs I always wanted to do, I never got around to do, is a Massey Ferguson 165. Then didn't always pop me a tractor. But getting back to jobs, I mean, I've never done it. I've done coaches, driven trucks. But one job I always wanted when I left school was to work with tractors and plant machinery. I nearly had the chance once, but at the time I didn't want to do it. I was too busy doing something else, driving my coaches. But it's a big regret of mine is actually not working with plant and farm machinery. Look at this. 1965 standard pickup. That's a rare thing. I've not seen one of them before. Called Stanley. Hello, Stanley. Standard pickup from 1965. How cool is that? Ferguson, 1957 Ferguson FE35. Again, Brighton cars, 1969, 68. 1969, Morris Minor Traveller, look at that. One of my neighbours has got a couple of Morris Minors, it's the thousands, it's the NCC. Although I actually couldn't drive it. With my shoulder injury, or my main injury. Yeah. The sheepdog up on there, look. For internationals, this really has been a good event, and the thing is with farming, with the current situation with farming, you know, without these, let's get a bit political, without farmers if they've got no food, which relates to the other part of the haulage industry who haul your food to supermarkets and your shops. Without farmers who are hauled, you've got none of that. You'll all starve. Support your farmers. Because without them, we've got nothing. Coming in Forston here. Still semi-retired, this one. It's 1958 Forston Dexter. It's still used during haymaking and ploughing matches. County 774 from 1979. And a roadless 75 from 1975. 100 years of Caterpillar this year. There's some more outside. Hello folks. So there we go. That was Tractor World 2025 at the Three Counties Showground at Malvern. Something different. I hope you enjoyed that. I think it's going to be a yearly event now. Really enjoyed that. First tractor show I've been to. See if I can get to any more, but I really enjoyed that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. It's something different. Stand over a minute. Next one, don't know when the next video will be. I'm not sure what the next show is actually. It's still February. I've got trains next month which I can't do because that's Harry's thing, and I'm not muscling on Harry's work. He will be able to. So I think it's going to be probably April, I don't know. I'll try and do another video in between or something. But anyway, hope you enjoyed Tractor World 2025. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. I haven't got many subscribers at the minute, but I've noticed that viewings are quite up. If you don't like and subscribe, I can't improve the channel, buy more equipment, improve my videos. So please like, subscribe. This is Tyres and Tarmac, aka Lee. Me. So until the next one, guys, be careful, stay safe.